Nolan Wells' independent autopsy examination report was revealed today at a press conference by attorney Ben Crump. And the shocking details is going to blow you away. Let's talk about it. Nolan Wells' independent autopsy results revealed that there were missing body parts or missing key organs. And because of this, the medical examiner was unable to determine the cause of death. Now, this is the part that's so confusing, and this is the part that no one in their right mind can understand. Because in order to get an accurate autopsy result, you definitely need these organs to make that determination. According to the medical examiner, the reason why they could not conclude the cause of death is because the throat was missing, the stomach was missing, and also the lungs were missing. Now, let's take it back. When you're talking about Nolan Wells' case, we're looking to see if Nolan Wells was possibly unalived prior to entering the water. Now, there was discoloration around the neck area, and there was also discoloration or a blunt force trauma toward the back of the neck. So, with the throat missing, you cannot tell if he was strangled prior to. You don't know. But the examiner stated he did have discoloration around the neck area. Now, mind you, by the time the body reached the independent autopsy examiner, of course, there was some decomposition of the body, because that's what the body does after so long. Another thing, with the lungs missing, they can't tell if there were water in the lungs. They can't test the lungs to see if there was, that's where the drowning comes in, basically. The lungs were missing. So they couldn't tell if he had water in his lungs or not, because lungs weren't there. The stomach was missing. I'm not sure what the state of Mississippi is thinking or what's on their mind. But what this independent medical examiner did state, the cause of death is undetermined until further investigation. So basically, Ben Crump stated that they are going to request all pictures, all videos, because when they received that body and they did their autopsy, they took pictures, they took videos of the body. And this examiner is willing to re-examine those pictures, those videos, and possibly those body parts to make his report conclusive or make a determination on his report. I've said it once, I say it again, and I'll say it again until the cows come home. Nolan Wells' case will go down in history as the biggest cover-up that is exposed in the state of Mississippi. There's too many eyes on this case, and I know for a fact that the state of Mississippi had no idea. That judge and her children and everyone that is allegedly involved had no idea this case would get this much exposure. Well, I'm here to tell you, like I said once and I'll say it again, the Black American community is tired of getting along to get along. And this is where it stops. So at this point, the independent autopsy examination could not conclude the cause of death because the state of Mississippi failed to send the most important organs with the body. You just can't make this shit up. It just gets better and better when it comes to the Nolan Wells case in the state of Mississippi. Mm, mm, mm. My. Drop down in the comments how you feel about this new information that has been disclosed in Nolan Wells' independent autopsy examination results. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video and follow me for more controversial topics.